Satnam Yogi, welcome to this channel. My name is Mariya Gancheva and this is our breath series, which is a program of 100 days. If you haven't done so, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be notified anytime we release a new video. Let's practice. Today we're doing an amazing Kriya, which is called the Sneezing Buddha Kriya. Now I want to make sure you understand what we're going to do. We're going to learn how to sneeze, but forcefully. So, during the day we yawn, we sneeze, and that usually is our body telling us you need to rebalance a little bit, I need to get off some pressure, or I just need to rest my brain. When we sneeze, the brain basically stops and we give the brain a little break. So it's very important that we learn this trick and to actually do it ourselves instead of just waiting for it, because we're going to release some pressure and really get the body relaxed and balanced. This whole Kriya is to balance. It's really to give you a cleanse but also balance you out. So we're going to be using the alternate channel breathing again, and we're going to be inhaling through the mouth, but then when we exhale, this time we're going to learn how to sneeze. So before we begin the actual exercise, I want us to try a few times to sneeze. And if you have a baby, you probably have learned this to a mastery, because that's when they really laugh and you just want to make them laugh. So what you do is you inhale and then you sneeze out. Let's do again. Achoo! 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 So it helps with the head because that kind of mimics the sneeze, and it's a sharp sneeze through the nose, both nostrils out, and cleanses the nasal passages, but it also wakes up the pituitary, and it goes, oh, okay, I need to give it a break. So it's a good way. You can practice a bit more. Achoo! Achoo! And we're gonna try this now within our exercise. Even if you can't make the whole sneeze, achoo, because we're actually doing it through the mouth, you can try to just forcefully exhale through both nostrils, just to get that sense of achoo, squeezing here and then expelling of the air. So it's like a contraction and then pull out the air. Good. So let's bring the hands resting with your palms in your lap in what we call the Buddha position. Relax the spine. You're going to close your eyes, and then we're going to open the mouth in an O shape, and we're going to sip in the air as if you're sipping some life juice in, and sneeze. Inhale and sneeze. And let's go. Beautiful. If you have a tissue, you may need it. And now you're gonna place your elbows bent, palms facing up, as if you're giving the biggest prayer in your life. Open the mouth in O, and we're gonna inhale and exhale forcefully through the mouth. Relax into this. Give yourself into the prayer. Inhale and start breath of fire. Inhale, exhale, take a moment. We've injected oxygen directly into the lungs, purifying the lungs, so you may feel really dizzy. Just hang in there for a moment, it will get better. And immediately now stretch your hands to the sides. Hands are parallel to the floor. The left hand's gonna face down. The right hand's gonna face up to heavens. And it's balancing earth and heaven. It's very balancing meditation. We're just gonna close the eyes and go within. And breathe deep. Balance out. Go within. Feel something's holding you, something is there for you. You're not alone, you're being held, and you're in balance. We're breathing through the nose, in and out. And inhale, bring the palms together, stretch up, hold the breath in. Exhale, hold the hands. Inhale, hold the breath. Exhale, One more time, inhale, hold, and exhale. Wow, this Kriya is just absolutely amazing, and it just cannot be even described. I hope you feel it, I hope you feel the difference. It's a master Kriya, it's an advanced Kriya, and you've done absolutely amazing today. Beautiful. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. As always, please remember to check our channel kundalinilounge.com, where you can practice the full program and receive the daily emails to motivate you and to educate you. There are plenty of lectures that go through the different breaths and the different techniques and what they really mean for us in our life. I can't wait to see you there. Make sure you stay subscribed. Hit the bell button to be notified, and make your way to kundalinilounge.com on the link below to get signed to this beautiful program and really experience the fullness of this knowledge of our breath. Sat Nam, I can't wait to see you again.